can do it as well, or even more. You can be even better than the other members of the board who are here, who are shooting attendance now, or Dr. Salagram as the former president of PNP. She was just like you also, a teacher of the Rizal High School. And so with Dr. Adamos, Dr. Josefina Inana, and Dr. Mayari. And I'm sure that the school heads who are here also started like you as a teacher. But since my parents could not afford to send all of us siblings to school, I was able to, of course, obtain scholarship. Life was hard for me as I struggled to maintain my grades and to help my family. I had to sacrifice much to help my siblings. My inspiration in this struggle was my mother. She did not teach me any classroom subjects. The lessons she taught me were much more lasting than any subject I learned